Good morning to all. Today we will discuss about the treatment for ADHD. Most commonly available treatment in that medication, education or training, therapy like behavior program, then last school-based program or other treatment and therapies. In that combination of the treatment they are using. First we will see about the medication. In that most commonly three group medication are used. First stimulant, and second non-stimulant, and third antidepressant medication they are using. Other than that, according to symptom they are using. First one is a stimulant medication. In that most commonly methylphenidate and amphetamine they are using. Already we seen in child Ritalin they are using. This medication help to increase the brain chemical dopamine and it help to change thinking and attention function. It help to improve thinking and attention. Then second, non-stimulant medication. Example, atomoxetine. It also help to improve focus, attention and impulsivity. Then third, antidepressant medication. Most commonly tricyclic antidepressant medication are used to reduce the symptoms. It helps to affect the brain chemicals norepinephrine and dopamine and it helps to improve the function. Then second one is a therapy. Most commonly behavior therapy are used for children and teenage activities. In that keeping a routine and a schedule, then organizing everyday items, then using homework and notebook organization. Other than that, what we are giving work that they have to do, in that create chart, use timers, use planners. We have to give some work, then create checklist like what things he or she completed. For adult, keeping a routine and breaking down large tasks into more manageable and smaller tasks. Then third one is education and training. In education and training, they need guidance and understanding from their parents, families and teachers to reach their full potential and success. In education and training, three things are used. First one is a parenting skill training. Means they are providing training to parents how to deal with child behavior. Then second, stress management technique. So if parents will get frustration, then it helps to deal with frustration. Then third, support group. Means same symptom or same disorder child parents, then they will get support and they will mingle with them. Then fourth one is a school-based program. Means in school they are providing training and education and services to children who have ADHD. Then parents what expect through behavior therapy. In that therapist meet regularly with family. Therapist will provide 8 to 16 session training and parents will take that 8 to 16 session training. It helps to improve child behavior and solve problem. Then lifestyle change. In that first one is a behavior therapy, then second psychoeducation and third exercise and diet. In behavior therapy for parents, behavior intervention they will provide. In classroom they will provide behavior intervention to child. Then cognitive behavior therapy they will provide direct to patient who is affected. Then neurofeedback they are providing. Then second, in psychoeducation they are educating patient and their families and teachers about the ADHD. Then direct from clinical and consultation and group education session they are providing. Then third, exercise and diet, they are encouraging physical activities and improving diet. ADHD may be caused by drugs or alcohol or cigarette smoking. So during pregnancy, mother have to avoid these things, and adult also avoid to take these things. Then nutritional therapy. In nutritional therapy, person have to schedule regular meals with small portion and refills at desired. Then incorporate structured snack time. Then include combination of protein and complex carbohydrate. Then include omega-3 sources also. Then they have to assess the child growth according to regular diet. Also they have to assess. Then check level of zinc, iron and magnesium in child diet. Tips for managing ADHD. What you can do. Help your child to understand ADHD. Then work with teachers and caregiver. Then keep track of what help your child, that you have to know. Let's